What's up, YouTube? This is Moonfall. That's cool, right? You're the one that came up with it. I like it. Anyway, today we are opening 2 brand new packs of the Bookworm GPKs. And I don't know anything about this series at all. So it's going to be totally new for me and for you. Got a special guest today, SillyBabe. SillyBabe. You might recognize her from creek hopping videos. Okay. I'm gonna go first. That didn't work at all, did it? Dang. Once you poke through, then it works. Remember to salvage the box. Yeah, and the sticker is part of the cellophane, so it comes right off. So this is the mega box. That's what it says on it.
I want to ruin the box.
Bam! Okay. Yes. Supposed to be 17 packs in each box. I'll salvage it later, it's fine. This is so you know what we're opening. Alright, who wants to go first? I'll go first.
No, it's not not even recording.
It is recording. I can't. We're off to a good start, aren't we? I got scissors if it makes it easier. Okay. What's the first one we got? I told you they're silly, right? Audio Brooklyn. Worry Walker. Those are nice. This is more than 4. Oh, it's 8. It's 8 per pack. That's the mega pack part of it. Frostbite. Okay, hang on. Scissors are where?
Upstairs.
No.
Oh, I got it. Yo. I don't think it said that.
Okay, I'm gonna find the scissors also. Oh, they're over here. Alright, read off what you got.
Why?
Why? Because it's fun. Go ahead.
Oh.
Read them off.
No.
Come on. Yeah.
CP.
Frostbite Buck. Book of the Ted. We got a lot more to go. You better wake up.
I just got back from school.
I know. Raggedy Reagan. Here you go. Oh, you got Sam I Am. Shazam. Wild Willie from Wild Things. Catching Ryan.
His name is Ryan.
Yeah.
His name is Ryan.
I guess so, yeah. There you go. Don't be a bum.
I'll be a bum, bruh.
We'll just show the camera then. Yeah? Better than reading, we'll just show them.
Watch it not even be recording.
Pooh Berry.
Wedged Windy.
Marlar's Mary. Oh, we got the same one. Nice. Nice.
Anna Achu.
Uh-huh. Tidy Tina. Leering Lexi.
What is this?
Dewey Decimal. Here, do you want to cut them open? Okay. I got one. I got the other one.
Apple.
Nice.
Ew.
Chris. Told you they're silly. Lord of the Rings. Mad Max.
Magic School.
Holding the Grudge.
Crammed Chris.
Yep, I just got that one. I see some of them have a border around it. Some of them don't.
Shazam.
Shattered Sherlock. Oh, here's one. No, is that 1 or 7?
That says 7.
7. Oh, shucks.
Wait, we're supposed to be looking at the number?
If you want to organize them, you can, yeah. Untrained Tyler. Experimental Xavier. Never Ending Ed. Green Maureen. Look at this one. What? You're reading them.
I got the border one.
You got the border one? Nice.
Ew, whoa.
Preston. Unraveled Annie. Boom Edna. Red-Eyed Robin. Look at that one. Crushed Caspian. Catwoman. LeVar Burpin. That's a good one. Wedged Wendy. Bookworm Brent. Crappy. It says crappy in it.
We got the border.
Oh, cool. Nice. Why not, right? Still better than baseball cards, that's for sure. Yep.
Why do you grab it like that?
I'm getting ready to flip it. I'm trying to read it. It's so I can't even read it. Dimmling the Archerman.
We're turning down.
Yep. Rehearsing Ralph.
That's just researching.
Researching Ralph. Story Boom Bastion. Ooh, look. Crafty Coraline with the border.
got the border.
Cool. Are these even stickers anymore?
No.
Just cards. Long John. Nice.
Oh, how cute.
Jagged Julius. Jagged Juliet. How much more? How much more can you take?
I said that like 3 trillion years ago.
Hey, dude.
Why are you using the scissors?
Because my packs are neatly chopped on top. So not jam and. Look. Uh-huh.
You already got that.
Yeah. Reading Rainbow. That's clever. Well-read Rita. Punched Preston. Lost Lyra. Filford Precious. Coloring book. Yep. Sharing shell. These are awesome.
I want to eat.
Yeah, they are.
Look, bro. Look.
Yeah.
Take this, pull it out, find the thing.
Well, I would never do it like that. Or I never have. Let me try it. That's a little bit crazy. It's my first time opening a pack like this. That worked pretty well, yeah. Worried Wilder.
Got the border.
Treasure
Ew.
Travis. Nice. Ides of Mark. Shady Charlotte. Hearing Loss Horton. That dude from that book. Slam and Sammy. Taryn Terry.
When's dinner?
Leisure Lee.
When's dinner?
Later on. That's a wild way to open it. Keeps the whole pack intact though. That's a good thing about it. Retching Romeo. Gandalf the Grave. Ronnie Knows. Al Mechanic.
Border.
Stocking Stella. Yep. Gruesome Gary. Awful Arthur. Hot Stuff Hobbies. Yep. Howard Havoc. Deshell Droppings. Let's have a big pile here, don't we?
Your droppings.
Yep.
You doing the same video? Oh.
No.
I can open all of them from this stack.
Okay. Giving Tree. Look, Splatty Patty.
I got that.
Oh, you did? Rippin' Riley. Homeless Hazel. Tom Trax. Paige Turner. Stanched Stella. Sweet Treat Sawyer. You want to save a few packs unopened? No? Okay. Stacked Jack. Peppy Pippy. Decaying Dorian. Crispy Calvin. Naughty Noah. Mixed Up Mitch. Goosebump Ben. Frisky Frida.
It's taking forever.
No, not. Sam Sprayed. Grubble Grover. Library Ann. Cat Hattie. Look at that one. Necromicon Ron. Detective David. Yep. Buttoned Betty. Worried Wilbur. I might leave some unopened. Don't bend them. All right, we good? Nice. That's the one in the box. Yep. Cool. All right, any last words, last thoughts? Wasn't that fun? One day you'll be like, man, remember that time you opened up all those garbage pail kids? That was good stuff. It's good times. All right, thanks for watching. All right, see you soon. I can't do that closing. All right, see you soon. There's a lot of different ones. Don't you think? All right, you good?